Hello guys, today I have another makeup tutorial for you. This is a really nice summery light red eye look with a hot pink lip. So here we are going to be starting with concealer, and excuse my newborn in the background. And we're going to be putting concealer under our eyes and on our eyelids as well. And then we're just going to be blending this in with our beauty blender. You can also use your finger to blend this in too. I actually do that a lot. I'm just putting the concealer on all these different zones on my face where I like applying concealer. Just blending it in with my handy dandy beauty blender. You can see my bird sitting on my shoulder as well. Her name is Buttercup, by the way. And now I'm going to take my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, and this is in the shade Sequin. It's like a really pretty, just a really pretty, almost like a rose gold look, or not look, shade. It's like a rose gold light red orangey shade. It's really pretty, very shimmery as well. I'm just going to blend out the edges to take away the roughness. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline gel liner in Black is Black, and I'm applying this just on my upper lash line on my eyelid. And then I'm going to take my makeup remover, and I'm just going to take away any makeup that may have fallen out below my eyes. And I'm just going to go in with my my Tarte Amazonian clay palette and apply this grayish lavender shade. I'm taking my ColourPop eyeliner, and it's in the lavender color, and I'm just applying this in my lower waterline. I'm taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm applying that on my upper lash line like so. This is my go-to mascara, guys. I always use this. And then I'm going in with that shade that I use on my eyelid. I'm just applying that in my inner corners on my inner bottom lower lash line. Now I'm going in with my bronzer by Wet n Wild. Just applying this on my cheekbones, and I'm just going to be applying this on my jawline as well, which you will see in 1 second. There we go. And then I'm going in with my Coastal Scents blush and bronze palette with the lightest pink shade. I usually always use this shade for my cheeks. Just gives a nice little pink glow. It looks very natural as well. I'm going in with my Tarte Amazonian clay palette using this cream colored shade. I'm applying this on my brow bone, and I'm going in with this NYX cream lip color, and I forgot what this one's called, but I will list everything in the description box below. But it's a really cool hot pink color. It's just nice for summer if you just want to have some fun and try out some fun pink shades. And that, guys, is going to be it. So once I finished applying everything, that'll be all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button for more tutorials such as this. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.